settlement over transgender student-athlete policies could have a much wider implication for Colorado schools. News 5's Peter Choi spoke with a constitutional law expert about what this could mean moving forward.
Yeah, I spoke with a University of Denver professor of law, Martin Katz, about what implications this settlement could bring. He says in our interview, it could bring more confusion to other school districts.
So you weren't really surprised when you heard about this settlement?
No.
That answer is when he heard about the settlement not to force school districts to enforce policies on transgender student athletes.
I don't think they've ever actually enforced their rule. I don't think they had a huge interest in enforcing it. So my best guess is this was just a huge distraction for them, and they were perfectly happy to go back to the status quo, which is they weren't enforcing this rule.
Katz believes the settlement could bring more confusion among school districts.
I would see going forward, following the February executive order, many schools, if they haven't already done so, or school districts, going to the courts to say, tell me which one to follow.
He says that's because it remains unclear which standard should apply, state law or federal law, when it comes to policies affecting transgender student athletes.
And if the federal law is valid and the state law is valid, the federal law is always going to win. It makes sense if you're a school district like District 49 to say, hey, court, tell me if this federal law is valid, because if it is, I can't comply with both the federal and the state law.
I also asked him whether cases like this could affect constitutional rights, including the 14th Amendment, the Equal Protection Clause that requires the government to treat everyone the same under the law, ensuring no unfair discrimination against groups.
Current Supreme Court case, which is called Little versus Hecox, will hopefully tell us which level of protection, which level of scrutiny applies to discrimination against transgender individuals, which happens to involve sex discrimination.
The U.S. Supreme Court has not issued a definitive ruling on the issue. The Katz says when a decision does come, it could provide much clearer guidance for future cases. In studio tonight, Peter Choi, News 5.